I have reviewed so many smartphones in the last couple of years, and including folding devices, and I have to say I'm a huge folding phone fan. However, the camera was not always the best. Not in this case. OnePlus Open has incredible camera, and I'm going to show you in this video me and my family just exploring a little forest around here with some beautiful colors. I am using portrait video mode, 1080p 30 fps. However, the 4K 60 fps is just insane. Check this out. Right, I'm gonna check on stabilization. Chiara, you are going to run super fast. I'm gonna try to get you. 3, 2, 1, go. Stabilization mode. That looks pretty good. I'm holding phone just in my hand. Look at the stabilization here. What? I'm faster than you. I'm faster. HDR 4K 30 fps. The quality looks pretty nice. It is cloudy day, but I absolutely love the colors here. As you can see, my wife, kids and the dog just going up the hill. This is maximum zoom times 20, and I'll just switch to ultra wide angle. Wow. By the way, if you are enjoying camera smartphone reviews, huge sub to the channel will be very appreciated. The goal is to hit 100k soon. I mean, look at the view here. I'm using ×3 dot telephoto lens, and you can get amazing results with this. I mean, look at that. Very impressed. We are so lucky being able to see those animals. Look at that. Wow. You see, this is selfie camera. It's doing okay, but the beauty with folding devices, you just can flick the camera and then just use the main sensor or even ultra wide angle. Check this out. Do you know what I mean? So now I'm actually using the bigger sensor, so the quality should be way better, and stabilization also should be better here. Wow. I mean, look at the colors here. I am not a huge fan of autumn. My favorite season is definitely spring. I mean, look at this portrait video mode. Wow, look at the quality, even though it's only 1080p. But I have to say, this is really impressive. Should we take some pictures?
Yeah. However, I love the color, but our daughter requested the sister.
Okay,
That's very impressive.
You get a really great advantage with folding devices. So basically, I don't have a tripod. I can just put my phone down here, you know, put it in a nice angle, and then we can just get some amazing pictures. Check this out. I am using dual mode video, and there's a lot of options available. So this is one of those. You got also this one available. Oh, there is even this rectangle, and you can move this even around like this spontaneously, which is, sorry, just covering my wife now. There she is. Love it. Well, they think I'm videoing there, but I'm not. Okay, but look, I can actually zoom in at the same time. I've got some heart sent to me. Love it. Now, if you love photography, go to master mode, and you've got option to shoot raw. That's pretty impressive. Here you've got different resolutions, different aspect ratio, even histogram. So very nice. On the top of that, for high resolution images, just go here, and you've got advantage of all the 3 sensors available. And great because, you know, 4K 60 FPS can easily be slowed down for those nice cinematic shots. Ready, go! Ready! I just realized actually there is 5 cameras in total, so you've got 2 selfies, the inner and outer selfie, and then you got 3 rear cameras, which is pretty impressive, I have to say. If you're a macro photography fan or you want to get close to your subject and get that blurry background, definitely go ×3 with that optical zoom that I'm using now, and then the lens will automatically enable macro mode. Very good. Please remember, I was not using any external microphone during this video, so you can see that it's actually possible doing some vlogging without additional microphone. On the top of that, I have to say, this is a very powerful device. It doesn't have the latest chipset, however, I've got the Apex version, 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. So I actually edited the whole video using this device and it did just great. Let me know what you think. Are you a fan of folding devices? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you'd like to see more vlogs like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.